Tired of Windows? Looking for a stable and user-friendly alternative? Then you need to learn about Linux Mint. This video dives into the fascinating story of its rise from a niche OS to a powerful contender in the world of computing. Linux Mint is a hidden gem, quietly conquering the desktop. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind its success and explore its 10-year journey to mainstream adoption. The genesis of Linux Mint. Born on August 27, 2006 as Ada, Linux Mint began life as a small Ubuntu fork with a simple goal: make Linux approachable for everyone by bundling media codecs, tweaking the interface, and smoothing out common pain points. From day one, founder Clément Lefebvre championed community involvement, soliciting feedback, integrating user-requested features like the Mint menu, and forging a tight-knit support base that fueled early growth. Yet the road wasn't without frustration. When GNOME 3 debuted in April 2011, Mint's first attempt, Mint 12 Lisa, stumbled badly. Panels vanished, applets broke, and users felt betrayed by missing functionality. This regression sparked anger and fear among loyal fans, threatening Mint's very future. The rise to mainstream just works. At last, after several nerve-wracking months of patching GNOME 3 and shipping the interim Mate environment, the Mint team unveiled Cinnamon on December 20, 2011. This bold fork of GNOME 3 restored familiar desktop metaphors, silenced detractors, and rekindled hope, finally, delivering the "it just works" simplicity users craved. By November 12, 2010, Linux Mint 10 Julia had already demonstrated Mint's maturing, polished-tight integration with Ubuntu 10.10, seamless package management, and a refined UI that eliminated tedious tweaks. User growth exploded as frustrated Windows switchers and disillusioned Ubuntu users flocked to Mint's reliable, out-of-the-box experience, proof that community-driven development could beat corporate gloss. Key milestones that shaped its success. Mint 10 Julia, November 2010. First true complete desktop offering, signaling a departure from mere Ubuntu clones to a self-confident distro. Cinnamon 1.0, December 2011. Birthed from bitterness over GNOME 3's failings, Cinnamon 1.0 gave Mint its unique identity and quelled the community's outrage. Cinnamon 2.0, October 2013. A fully decoupled desktop environment with dedicated applets and desklets, solidifying Mint's technical independence. Mint 18 Sarah, June 2016. A decade in, Mint embraced long-term support, ensuring businesses and casual users alike could rely on a stable base for years. Each release brought minor triumphs and occasional headaches. Upgrade hiccups, dependency conflicts, and occasional security scares fueled waves of anxiety and angry forum threads, reminding both users and developers that growth rarely comes pain-free. Evolution. From refinement to innovation over 10 years, Linux Mint never rested. It continuously polished performance, tightened security, and expanded hardware support. When Wayland loomed on the horizon, Mint shied away, choosing the proven Xorg to avoid half-baked regressions, demonstrating a stubborn commitment to reliability, even as critics sneered at its conservatism. Yet, under the hood, Mint quietly adopted cutting-edge tech, Flatpak integration, BTRFS snapshots, and full UEFI support. Each innovation was born from user demand and tempered by the fear of repeat disasters like the GNOME 3 debacle. The result? A distro that balances progress with prudence, forever haunted by past missteps. Impact on the Linux community. Linux Mint's success shattered two core myths: that Linux is only for experts, and that community projects can't outshine corporate giants. By democratizing advanced features and embracing feedback loops, Mint inspired countless spins, KDE, XFCE, Mate editions, and sparked forks like Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix. Despite occasional bitterness over stalled features, broken upgrades, or unmet expectations, Mint's vibrant forums and translation teams reflect a loyalty forged in adversity. In 10 years, what began as a quirky side project grew into one of the most trusted desktop distributions worldwide, a testament to collective passion overcoming technical turmoil. Conclusion: Linux Mint's 10-year odyssey is a study in ambition, disappointment, and triumph. From the raw hope of Mint 1.0 to the polished confidence of Mint 18 LTS, its journey embodies the conflicting emotions of open-source development, the dread of failure, the exultation of success, and the relentless drive to do better. Whether you're fleeing Windows frustrations or seeking a bulletproof Linux home, Linux Mint stands as proof that perseverance, even through bitterness, can yield a truly sweet experience.